Today, we're going to be talking about the laziest way to start your online Shopify store and why this is going to revolutionize how quickly you begin making money online. For those of you who don't know how to start, for those of you who keep getting confused on all the guides that you watch, this is going to change your perception. Today, as you can see, in the store, we have a $1,200 day. Yesterday was a $3,000 day. What I want for you guys is to understand that all the other gurus that are showing you guys 10 to 12-hour guides, they are not assessing the situation that most beginners really have no place to start. In this 10-minute video, I'm going to show you how the AI is going to pick the winning products for you, and it's really a way for beginners to accelerate their growth in the online dropshipping and online business world. Most friends that reach out to me have no idea where to begin. They're lost in 5-10-hour guides that are so complicated. If you're a person who's never ran a business before, this is the best and easiest way to get started because, for one, you can start an online business for pennies on the dollar. Two, from the comfort of your couch, watching brain rot videos, taking our laptop anywhere. And if this is you, if you're a beginner who wants that but doesn't really know how to start, this is going to be the 10-minute video that you need to watch to revolutionize the way that you think about online business. So without further ado, let's hop into my screen and let's get started. Now, traditionally, this is what a typical Shopify theme looks like. It has so many different components to it over here in the menus. You go to a specific side of the menu and the icon, there's a bunch of different things you could change in every single subsection, right? It's very confusing. Most people don't know what to do, whereas this AI store builder, as you're gonna see, is going to upload everything for you with one click of a button. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to ChatGPT and we're gonna ask ChatGPT, please give me the top 20 dropshipping niches. Now, what ChatGPT gives us is eco-friendly products, health and wellness, pet, smart home devices, home office equipment, personalized gifts, beauty and skincare, outdoor gear, fashion accessories, tech, baby, nutrition, crafting, car accessories, gaming accessories, travel, sustainable, fashion, luxury, high-end items, home decor. These are all very good. I'm gonna go ahead and pick pet products for this guide. Pick something that you're passionate about. I want you to go to Google Trends and type in the niche that you think you're gonna tap into. Now, as we can see, if I categorize it by the past 5 years, pet products has stayed relatively the same. Naturally, it's one of the more popular niches to get into. I'm, of course, gonna go ahead and pick it. Now, when picking the pet niche, I'm gonna go ahead and make an email address with Gmail. And the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is go to buildyourstore.ai. It is the software that we're going to be using with our prompts to get our store. Now, what this is going to do for you is start you off on a free Shopify plan. With this deal, you're going to be getting 3 months worth of Shopify for $3. That's $1 per each month, all through the link that I'm going to give you. The next thing I'm going to do, it's going to give me a bunch of niches, a bunch of prompts that I can select. I'm going to go ahead and pick the pet niche. The next thing is going to do is going to give me a bunch of pictures for a banner. I think this one's pretty cute. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. If you don't like this one, of course, you could always change the ones that they give you. Now it says create your Shopify account. I'm going to go ahead and hit access Shopify. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to start you off on that $1 a month. Now, the next prompt is going to ask you, where would you like to sell? Of course, we're going to be selling in an online store. I'm just starting. If that's you, if you're already selling something, then please go ahead and pick you're already selling. The next thing I'm going to pick is dropshipping products. We're going to be dropshipping all these products. Next, it's going to show you all the plans that you're going to have to sign up with. Just pick the starter plan. It's just for you to get started. Eventually, once your business is up and running, you're probably going to have to upgrade to the basic. Put in your card information. If you want to do it later, just hit I'll do this later. So now we have our Shopify store. The next thing I do, I go back to buildyourstore.ai and I link the Shopify store that they just made for me with the $1 discount. As you guys can see here, link your Shopify store, copy your store admin URL as shown in the image below, paste into the URL field, hit save, and that's it. It's connected and it's going to start building my store with one click of a button. I hit save, I hit done. They give me my Shopify discount. And now on to the next step. Okay, so once I've successfully signed up for Build Your Store and signed up for Shopify for $1 single, I'm gonna go ahead and install the Build Your Store app in the Shopify store. And next I hit customize my store to make my store unique. Now AI is literally building out the entire store for us. It took around 3 or 4 minutes just to get to this point. Now I have to add top selling products by registering for AutoDS. The next thing we'll need to do is get the app that's gonna be sourced sourcing our products or our customers when they buy from our store. This way it can automatically get integrated into our store. We don't have to go find products. We don't have to order samples. We don't have to design the product pages just yet. Now that app is going to be AutoDS. All you have to do is hit add apps or type in the search bar AutoDS. This app has a 4.9 star review, over 11,000 people reviewing the store. And for just $1, you'll get a 30-day trial to AutoDS with the link in my description. But you're gonna have to pick another plan as well. So we'll start off with the most basic plan, which is a $20 a month. I'm gonna hit start my plan. So this is what the inside of AutoDS looks like. As you guys can see, a massive selection of products. You could categorize them by handpicked products, ad spying tools, trending products. They're gonna host your orders and ship them and source them. So obviously it is gonna be the #1 app. Of course, I'm gonna find my category, which is pets, up here at the top toolbar, and it's gonna show you a bunch of products you could start importing with one click of a button. Now I could just go hit import draft. I find my store that's in the AutoDS platform that's linked to it, and it imports the product with one click of a button. Simple as that. AI has already selected your product and imported it to your store. And now the two apps that I have in my store are Build Your Store, which designs the store, and AutoDS, which sources the products for me. As you guys can see, it's a full selection of different dropshipping products that they source from their own warehouse that will ship to your customers and constantly allow you to stay updated in the game that will make you your money. My store is going to be a pet store. I find here from the toolbar the pets niche. There's a bunch of products here that I could sell. All I have to do is hit import draft on the bottom, one button to install these products. I go back, I hit done now that I installed AutoDS. All we have to do is access Shopify to publish store. Now to make your store live, all you have to do is hit this button that says restrict access to visitors with password. You click this, you save your store. Now all we have to do is go to the online store. We see themes here. Themes represents the theme of the store, so the layout of the store. If you ever get further into this business, you'll see that there are multiple themes you could install into your store to change the look of it, the aesthetic, the way that the components and the things work. As you guys can see, it automatically uploaded a bunch of these products from AutoDS to get ready to sell. Now guys, what's left for our business? Multiple things have been done for us to set up our business. It set up our shipping policies, our return policies, our privacy policy, our order tracking, our terms of service. All the important things that customers need or you need to run ads are already down here in your footer. It creates a section for new arrivals, all these updated products that are all very good products for you to start selling in your store. As you guys can see from my store, the sooner you get started, the sooner more and more sales start popping up. I just refreshed my feed. In the 10 minutes that I made this video, we went from a $1,200 day to a $1,500 day. Within 20 to 30 minutes, you can sign up for Build Your Store AI and literally have a store with multiple products made. If you don't like the products that were installed for you with the buildyourstore.ai, please, by all means, go to the AutoDS app. Look through all these products that are very, very good products. Not all of them will be the best products, but a lot of them are hand-picked by AutoDS based on their spy tool. So if I go to the spy tool and I select Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, I can see what other people are selling, their videos that they're selling them with, their ads, how many likes they have, how many comments. All of the data is all categorized in one place. And if you think this is not enough information, go ahead and click your niche. I'll go ahead and pick the pets niche. And if the 5 to 10 products that the AI installed into your store are not favorable for you, you don't like them, you don't think they're good, maybe you think they're saturated, maybe you don't like them, maybe you don't like the price point, go to the AutoDS section, find your niche and pets, or use the search bar and just find new products that are going to be good in your store. As you can see, there are so many products to choose from. I keep scrolling, I keep finding newer upgraded products, right? The educational dog toys for feeding, the cat fountains. So I could constantly just keep coming back to this while under my trial and finding newer and newer products that I like. I could import with one click of a button. And this way I have a brand new store all built with AI the laziest way possible. Now in less than 10 minutes, let's go over what just happened. We used AI to build our store and start our Shopify store. We selected a plan for $1 single to open our Shopify store. We started using AutoDS to upload and source our products. Most of you already have a plan. You've just been confused on how to start. You've been confused on how to get things flowing, how to get things going. Now guys, if you like the video, please do me a favor, hit like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video.